Your Insignia Portable Air Conditioner relies on a clean filter to function properly. Understanding why and when to clean this filter is essential for maintaining your unit's performance and longevity. A clean filter is crucial for optimal airflow through your air conditioning system. When air flows freely through the filter, your AC can efficiently cool your space without strain. However, when your filter becomes dirty and clogged with dust and debris, it creates a barrier that restricts airflow. This forces your air conditioner to work much harder to push air through the system. So when should you clean your filter? The recommended schedule is every 2 weeks for optimal performance. Your Insignia unit also has a helpful clean filter indicator that will illuminate after approximately 250 hours of operation. Regular filter cleaning provides significant benefits. It ensures efficient cooling performance, reduces energy costs, and most importantly, prevents potential damage to your air conditioning unit that could result in expensive repairs. Remember, a clean filter is the foundation of an efficient air conditioning system. By following this simple maintenance schedule, you'll keep your Insignia portable AC running smoothly and effectively for years to come. Safety is the first priority when cleaning your air conditioner filter. Always turn off the unit completely and unplug it from the power source to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, locate the air filter. It's typically found on the back, front, or side of your air conditioning unit. Some models may have the filter behind a removable panel or grill. Gently pull the filter out from its slot. Some filters may be held in place by tabs or clips. Be careful not to force it, as this could damage the filter or the unit. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove loose dust and debris from the filter. Vacuum from the clean side in the reverse direction of normal airflow to effectively remove trapped particles. For heavily soiled filters, wash them with warm, soapy water using a mild detergent. Avoid harsh chemicals or very hot water that could damage the filter material. After washing, rinse the filter thoroughly under running water and allow it to dry completely. This is crucial. Never reinstall a damp filter, as it can promote mold growth and damage your unit. While the filter dries, clean the exterior of your air conditioning unit with a soft, damp cloth. Also clean the vents and air intake areas using a soft brush to remove any accumulated dust. Finally, slide the completely dry filter back into its slot until it clicks into place. Ensure it's properly seated and oriented correctly for optimal airflow and efficiency. Your air conditioner filter is now clean and properly installed. Remember to repeat this process every 2 weeks for optimal performance and energy efficiency.